We're explaining how to export a PostgreSQL database to an SQL file. 1. First, you need to connect to your PostgreSQL database. You can do this using the PSQL command line tool, which is typically included with your PostgreSQL installation. The command looks something like this: PSQL H hostname, P port, U username, D database name. Replace the placeholders with your actual host name, often localhost, port, usually 5432, username, and the name of the database you want to export. 2. Once connected, you'll use the pgdump command. This powerful utility is specifically designed for backing up PostgreSQL databases. The basic syntax is pgdump, H hostname, P port, U username, D database, name, F output, file name, SQL. Again, substitute your connection details. The F flag specifies the output file name. Choose a descriptive name and add the PostgreSQL extension. This command will create a plain SQL script containing all the database objects, tables, indexes, functions, etc., and data. 3. For slightly more advanced control, you can add options to pgdump. T allows you to specify only certain tables to be exported. For instance, pgdump a table in a table would only export table 1, table 2, and any others listed. The O option omits ownership information, which can be useful if you're moving the database to a different server where the user IDs might not match. SQL creates a schema-only dump, no data. 4. If your database is very large, exporting might take a while. For even more control and flexibility, consider using pgdump in combination with other Unix tools like gzip to compress the resulting SQL file, making it smaller and easier to handle. You can do this by adding zip output at SQL gz to the end of your pgdump command. This pipes the output to gzip to compress it and save it to output at SQL gz. 5. Finally, once the export is complete, you'll have your SQL file. You can then use this file to restore the database on another PostgreSQL server or create a new database. Command to import, restore, will vary depending on your specific PostgreSQL setup. Consult your PostgreSQL documentation for instructions on how to use the PSQL command to import the data from the .sql file. Remember to always back up your database regularly.